Bonjour, famille de grazie. Hey, I have a special encouragement for somebody today. The word says, "Fret not thyself because of evildoers, neither be thou envious against the workers of iniquity, for they shall soon be cut down like the grass and wither as the green herb." That's found in Psalm 37, verses 1 and 2. Hey, it's day 24 in the Nehemiah project, and the 52-day challenge is on. As we are focusing intentionally on evangelism for these next 2 weeks, I want to shine a light on how incredibly important people are to God. John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." The life of Christ was put on the line for everlasting life of people. That's pretty deep. The Bible describes God's special love for his people by using the term, "the apple of my eye." To be the apple of God's eye is to be held so closely within his gaze that your image is reflected in his eye. It speaks of attention, affection, value, and protection. So when someone says, "You are the apple of my eye," they are saying more than "I love you." They're saying, "You are precious to me. You have my attention. I value you deeply. I watch over you carefully. And what happens to you matters to me." And biblically, Zechariah 2:8 takes it even further. God identifies so closely with his people that touching what belongs to him is pictured as touching the pupil of his very own eye. The principle of this expression of God is seen throughout the book and life of Nehemiah. God cherishing, watching over, defending, restoring, and preserving his covenant people. It's interwoven within these pages as a demonstration of what God does when something precious to him has been broken. So I want you to know, Grace, that you are not forgotten by God. No. You belong to him, and all heaven has been unleashed for your protection and your prosperity. So keep working, keep serving, keep loving, and watch God be God in it all. It's day 24. Keep it going. You are absolutely loved. God bless you, and may grace be unto you.